All right, who did it? All right, guys, I was just kidding. The baby did not break the couch, right? Someone else did. We won't say any names.
I'm not editing that too.
That's my editor. Okay, I can't make the editor mad. All right, but we're going to show you how we fixed it. It took under $5 and about an hour of work. So let's go ahead and, get into it. All right, guys, here's the damage. It was all chewy.
No, it was Jake. Oh my god, bro.
All right, guys, so we bought this, and I think we had it like 6 months before it broke. And it broke around Christmas time. And we've just been having some blocks holding it up for like 6 months. So we're finally gonna try to fix it. We're gonna open up this. And we reached out to Mathis Brothers, and you know, they're supposed to come out and fix it because you paid for the extra warranty, a year warranty, whatever. And all they did was send us an extra leg, but we're gonna open it and try to get it fixed. All right, so naturally we started by flipping the couch over, and then we started to take the bottom cloth off. It was just on there with some staples, so we just used a little painter's tool to kind of pull every single staple out and try not to rip the cloth while we were taking it off. The wood was broken off with the foot, so we kind of had to just let it dangle there for a second while we went all the way around and got the rest of it off. And each foot had a screw on it that we had to unscrew, and then we were able to unscrew the foot. Alrighty then, this is what we've got. So this is the one that broke, so we're gonna replace it, and it's really just like a 1x4 piece. Probably be better to get like a 2x4 and put that in there rather than this. All right, I forgot to get video, but this piece of wood right here, I just pulled it off with a hammer. I kind of hit it a couple times and then stuck the back part in there and got it. All right, we're back, guys. We picked up these two little things from Lowe's for like $3.
Daddy, hello.
And we're gonna finish up fixing this couch. Originally, the couch had a 1x4. I grabbed a 2x4 and just cut it to size using the the miter saw. All right, guys, let's see. Sheesh. Right on the money. All right, let's see. How are we gonna do this? Pocket holes. All right, it's just a little hole maker to pre-drill the holes. So we've got that, and then I'm gonna put some of these really long construction screws back here. These are 3-inch, I believe, or 3.5. They'll go all the way through all of the different woods that we have there. Yeah, so we're just using a countersink bit here to just pre-drill the holes in an angle to like a, probably, what is it, like a 30-degree angle. I figured nobody's gonna see the bottom of the couch, so we didn't pull out the whole pocket jig for this. Screws on this side to these smaller ones so it doesn't poke out. And once we had the two ends set, then we went ahead and drilled 4 holes along the side of the 2x4 just to screw in a couple of the 2-inch screws to the original side of the couch, just to reinforce it a little bit. These are the ones we got at Lowe's. They're a little bit different than the original ones. These went all the way through. This one, we're just gonna dig a hole and it's just gonna, the leg is just gonna go through it. And this will just sit in the 2x4. All right, so we're just using a wood drill bit here. It's just a 5/16, which is gonna give us the hole big enough for this and the screw. I am gonna switch drills here, just a regular driver, because this bit won't go into the impact. And this is just an old one that I had lying around there, but I got this cool little adapter. This is a really old drill, but we ordered these adapters that you can slide in the newer batteries into them if you don't want to get rid of them. Got our drill ready. So it's 1.5 inches and 1.5 inches this way, which is going to be right here. We'll scoot it over a little just to get right in between that, and then same on this side. All right, and we've got our little piece here.
Stop! Sabotage!
Boom. One more. I'll do these monthly.
No, so like with places.
All right.
You just have to kill it.
All right, cool. All right, so I don't have my staple gun. I can't find it. So I just have these little nails that are gonna hold the black cloth back where we had it originally. All right, guys, I did my best here on the cloth at the bottom. It didn't come out as nice as the original, but I tried. I've never done any upholstery or anything. I think it probably would have been a little bit better with the stapler, so if you have a stapler, it's probably better, but this is all I had on hand. But after 6 months, I think I just wanted to kind of get the couch fixed so that we could sit on it without it falling over. Done. Only took 6 months and an hour. Just kidding. Well, it did take 6 months, but we're done. Let's flip it back over. Test it out. Who's gonna test it out? Getting rid of our blocks. Thank you for your service, little blocks. This literally held our couch for 6 months.